Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Vagaro. Now, I'm sure many of you have heard of Vagaro before, but if you haven't, it's a cloud-based business management software for beauty and wellness professionals. So, the question is Vagaro a POS system? Well, the answer is not quite. Vagaro does have a point-of-sale, POS, feature, but it's not a dedicated POS system like you might find at a retail store. In this video, I'm going to explain what Vagaro is, how it works, and whether or not it's the right solution for your business. What is Vagaro? Vagaro is a cloud-based business management software for beauty and wellness professionals. It's designed to help you manage your appointments, clients, and finances. Some of the key features of Vagaro include appointment booking and scheduling, client management, financial tracking, marketing and email campaigns, online booking, and more. How does Vagaro work? Vagaro is a web-based application, so you can access it from any computer or mobile device with an internet connection. To get started with Vagaro, you'll need to create an account and sign up for a subscription plan. Once you've done that, you can start adding your clients and appointments to your system. Vagaro makes it easy to book and manage appointments. You can simply enter your client's name and contact information, and then select the date and time of the appointment. Vagaro will then send an email confirmation to both you and your client. Vagaro also makes it easy to track your finances. You can track your income and expenses, as well as generate reports on your business's performance. Is Vagaro the right solution for your business? Vagaro is a great solution for beauty and wellness professionals who are looking for a comprehensive business management software. It's easy to use and packed with features that can help you save time and money. However, Vagaro is not a dedicated POS system. If you're looking for a POS system that can handle all of your retail sales, you'll need to look elsewhere. Alternatives to Vagaro. If you're looking for a dedicated POS system, here are a few alternatives to Vagaro: Square, Shopify, Lightspeed, Clover. So, is Vagaro a POS system? Not quite, but it does have a POS feature. If you're a beauty or wellness professional who is looking for a comprehensive business management software, Vagaro is a great option. However, if you're looking for a dedicated POS system, you'll need to look elsewhere. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.